Good afternoon everyone, this is Lovely Ray and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you my mini Watson's haul. For this, I got 6 items in my Watson's haul, which is wipes, the fresh baby wipes. I only got it for 70 pesos. So ito for my big bags or kaya sa car na lang ito kasi malaki siya. But also, I got this sobrang liit, kasya lang siya sa maliit na bag. This is my go-to brand talaga. This is my favorite brand, Medcard. So for 25 pesos, it is 10 wipes. Watson's is the hand sanitizer or hand gel. So 60.75 pesos lang to, apat na. So cucumber scent, the apple pomegranate scent, the sweet pea, and the fresh scent. So, apat for 60 pesos. So, pwede ito sa maliliit na bags or sa kahit ilang bags na gamitin mo, lagyan mo siya pag-iisa nito. So, mahilig po ako talaga sa hand gel. Another, for my hair naman, this is the Livestrong Hair Fix Keratin Collagen Conditioner. Sabi dito is for volumizing and restoring. I never use conditioner talaga on my hair, pero tingnan nyo naman, it's so thin. Ang nipis ng hair ko, ang nipis. So, try natin tong hair fix na to kung effective ba siya sa atin. Kasi ako, nagsishampoo lang ako ng Hana kasi mabango na yon, hindi na ako gumagamit ng other conditioners. So, eto, I will give a try. So, last two for this Watson's haul is this Watson's Strawberry and Yogurt Scented na hand wash. Nakapack lang siya guys kasi ilalagay natin siya dun sa pump. Kasi may mga pump ako dyan sa may CR na area. So, bumili na lang ako nito. So, buy one, take one for only 134 pesos. So, this scent, strawberry and yogurt, and then the other one is the honey and milk scented cream hand wash. So, ito pwede everyday for your hands para maging soft at saka ma-moisturize yung mga hands nyo. So, ito lang po lahat yung sa my Watson's haul ko today. Sobrang konti lang niya talaga kasi for my hand and hair lang. So, ito lang talaga yung nabili ko guys. Ilan lang talaga siya, 6 lang talaga siya. Hindi ito nakabalak kasi na Watson's haul kasi pinag-room ko lang si Milo talaga. So, sabi nila after 2 hours ko pa siya makukuha. Kaya dumaan na ako sa Watson's. So, ito lang talaga yung nabili ko. This is my bag. It's from Celine. Yes, this is from Celine. So, first on my bag, this is the Courageous pala from Celine. This is the Courageous from Celine. So, first on my bag, I have this face mask. Kailangan ko kasi siya kada labas ko. Kailangan ko magsuot ng ganito since my work is related sa inspection of business establishment. So, I need this talaga every day. So, next on my bag, syempre, ball pen. I have 2 side pens para kung kailangan may sulat, kailangan may pirmahan ito. Ball pen. And then, I have rosary. This is my rosary in my bag. Next is medicine bag. Medicine wallet. So, meron ako dito Band-Aid. Maraming gamot. Then, I have spare bag. Actually, so, nilalagay ko dito spare bag. I have my coin purse. I think binigay ng tita ko sa akin ito from Bigan. then I have this tissue wipes. Have this hygiene kit. So what's inside the hygiene kit? I have the toothbrush, I have the lotion, I have Camilusan spray, I have chewing gum, toothpaste. What else? Okay. This did red spray. So this is hot. Next is usually have this. Actually, binigay lang din to sa akin. Ang cute na. So, 2020 planner. So, this is a planner from one of the companies na nagsusupply ng insecticide. So, this is a gift. So, hindi ko na sasabihin. So, this is a gift. This is my usually ginagamit ko to sa pagka nakiki-meetings din kasi pinagsusulat. Then, syempre, wallet. This is a great gift. And another, wala na. It's paper lang. And then, on the inside, the paper again. Cleaning wipes for phone, glasses. Nasa packet siya ng ganyan. Tapos charger, earphones, and yung vitamin C ko nakalabas. And I have the USB. So, yun lang yung laman ng bag ko. Nothing else. Yun lang yung laman ng bag ko. Actually, I love the color of this bag. Ang cute, no? So, that's in my bag. Thank you for watching. Bye!